Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. So today's video, I'm about to show y'all about my business plan. Business plan startup. Alright. So as you might see on the screen, I made an application called Localin application. The mission of the application itself is to empowering local connection, and we serve several services here like branding, customization, trusted supplier, website, mobile application. Local pride is our motto, and secure middleman. And so, the mission of the Localin app itself is to empowering local connections that have a life of technology. You might, y'all probably know issues in Indonesia that UMKM or business micro in Indonesia. Most of them are not have ability to reach more potential market because they are lack of technology. Either they got no device, or they got no knowledge to market their business. Alright. So without wasting any time, let's just deep dive into the business plan. Alright, so the problem we've seen here, that lack of digital access, especially in Indonesia, because a lot of businessmen in Indonesia have not like knowledge to market their product. For an example, to using TikTok apps to to advertising their product, their buying influencer to advertise their product. And so this kind of suppliers that have lack of digital access, so limited technology resource and limited market reach. And as we know, in this digital world, people are using device or using a technology to looking for the product they want. For example, Tokopedia, Bukalapak, and others, like any other application that using for marketplace. So they have limit market reach because they couldn't access a digital or application, or they ain't got knowledge. So like local UMKM can reach with a broader audience. And branding challenge. This is one of the problems that makes the business is not growing enough, because suppliers lack of watermark branding options, so people couldn't recognize their branding, their watermark, and something that relate with branding challenge. Next is the solution we provide. So by providing with this platform, Localin app is connecting supplier and business, helping outdated suppliers to listing their products. As like aiming for a businessman, they got lack of stage, and they got the branding challenge too. They could list their product into middleman application that is Localena. And so we help our data suppliers to list their product in our app. And also we do expanding local UMKM to reach a wider audience. Because as I've explained before, one of their challenge is to reach a wider audience and wider market potential, and because of obstacles that they have, either it is a devices or technology or digital resources. So with our application, we could expand their market reach to a wider audience. And we also provide custom branding for businesses that got no watermark. And so people or an audience would recognize their brand and would, what is it called? Know their product potential, their business potential. So that makes their business attractive for client potential. Alright, next we're about to talk the market valuation or a potential of our application in Indonesia. Based on source Statista, Indonesia Ecom 2025 have 125 billion more of potential in Indonesia and 640 million of micro businessmen that contribute to GDP. And this by source Kemenkop, and 61% of growing UMKM sector or micro businessmen. These big number are real data, as I've researched before on Google, and we talk and so by researching and break down the market valuation in Indonesia, I think this application probably gonna work, because with that big valuation we could gaining more profit by making this application thankful. And here's our business model. So to protect our database, we require an initial subscription fee for buyers to view the supplier's data, so that their competitor could, each of them could analyze their business potential and out of their business or other people's business. And we'll take a 15% commission for every purchase for non-premium user to both parties. So for there will gonna be a fee for every purchase for non-premium users, for users that non-premium to both parties. And we'll have a premium subscription which won't take any commission at all on every purchase made. So for users that is premium, we won't take any fee. So by doing this, making this business model, this could grow our business by profit and growth. And for example, as you might see on the picture, this is like data sales, or you could see how much people business growing and what they do, what they serve, what they provide, and alright, maybe that's all for today's presentation. Hopefully I'll got beneficial from my